fine? Welcome to Cambridge Biology. Today we talk about another important part, that is Down syndrome. Okay, let us focus about Down syndrome. This Down syndrome is identified by one scientist whose name is known as Langdon Down. Okay, in the year of in 1866. Okay, clear? Next one. According to the name of Langdon Down, it is known as Down syndrome. Clear? It is a autosomal disorder. It is a which disorder? Autosomal disorder. It is due to extra addition of one autosome. Yes. Try to guess minded. And that autosome is which one? 21 number autosome. So it is due to extra addition of a 21 it is due to extra addition of 121 number autosome. Okay, try to guess my dear. You know, every chromosome is designated with a number. Some two chromosomes are known as first chromosome or number 1 chromosome. Some chromosomes are designated as number 2 chromosome. Some chromosomes are designated which one? 20 number chromosome. Some are designated as 22 number chromosome. Some are designated as 21 number chromosome. The sex chromosomes are designated as 23rd number of chromosome. Okay, try to guess my try to guess what is that? The one extra addition of it is due to extra addition of 121 number autosome. Clear? Yes, here one extra chromosome is added. So chromosome number is 47 instead of 46. Normally 46 chromosomes are found. Here 121 number chromosome is added. So chromosome number is 47 instead of 46. Yes, the next point. Here in every organism, chromosomes, number 1 chromosome 2 in number, number 2 chromosome 2 in number. Try to guess because chromosomes are available in pairs. Try to guess my dear. Here 21 chromosomes in normal user 2 and another 121 number here added. So that means it is due to trisomy, or it is which one? It contains 21 number autosome. The person affected with syndrome, Down syndrome, contains 321 number autosome. So it is called trisomy. 3 means trisomy of 21. So it is otherwise called trisomy of 21, or it is because of presence of 321 number chromosome autosome. Clear? 100% guys? Try to guess my dear. It is found in case of autosome, found in case of both male and female. So autosomal disorder found in case of both male and female. It is found in both male and female. Okay, it is found in case of both male and female. Okay, so the karyotype in female is, you know, karyotype matlab, try to guess my arrangements of which one? Autosome and allosome. In case of female, the karyotype in female is, so the karyotype, the female going with Down syndrome is 45 plus XX. Okay, and the karyotype of male going with Down syndrome is 45 plus XY. Okay, the female going with Klinefelter, Down syndrome is which one? Karyotype is 45 plus XX, and the male going with Down syndrome having which one? Karyotype 45 plus which way? XY. Clear? So this is the basic idea about which one? Down syndrome. Clear? You put it to the next one. Let us focus one by one. Right? This disorder is otherwise called this Mongolism. This disorder is otherwise called which is same Mongolism, because those persons are affected by Down syndrome. Their appearance is like Mongolians. There is a race, Mongolian, Negro. You know that is that. Which one? Try to understand. It is this appearance. The appearance like Mongolians. Okay, or the peoples of Mongolians. So the disorder is otherwise called Mongolism. Okay, and try to focus, my dear. This is also known as Mongolian idiocy. Okay, and try to focus on this disorder is also called Mongolism, and which one? Mongolian idiocy. This disorder is otherwise called Mongolian idiocy, and the affected persons also known as Mongolian idiots. Okay, try to focus on which one. These persons are appear like Mongolians. Okay, and these are some sort of foolish. The brain is not working properly. Okay, there are some sort of foolish like. So try to focus, my dear. They are called idiots. So appearance is like which one? Mongolians, and which one? They are idiots. So these persons which are affected with Mongolian idiocy or Mongolism or Down syndrome are otherwise called Mongolian idiots. Clear? If we take on the next one, those persons are going with a Down syndrome. Those persons are which one? Going with the syndrome, Down syndrome. That is basically due to abnormal gametes produced by abnormal meiosis. Right? Understand? This is due to abnormal gametes. This is due to which gametes? Abnormal gametes produced by the females. Okay, these are due to abnormal gametes which were produced by the females. By abnormal meiosis. Okay, try to focus. This is due to abnormal gametes produced by the females by abnormal meiosis. Try to understand. If you take an example, this is a female. Okay, this is a female and this is a male. This is a normal female and this is a normal male. Try to understand. This is 44 plus XX. Male is 44 plus XY. I have already told that abnormal gametes produced by the which one? Female. Here this female produce abnormal gametes due to non-dysfunction of 21 number autosome. Try to focus, my dear. Every pair of chromosome in a body undergoes crossing over during meiosis 1. During meiosis, each pair of chromosome undergoes whichever crossing over during meiosis. And try to focus, my dear, towards the end of the which one? Try to focus during meiosis. They undergoes crossing over and which one? And separate out at the towards the last. Towards the end of the meiosis, they which out separate out. But here, the 21 number autosome do not separate out. That means they enter into one side or to one gamete. Try to understand. Here to this side, 1x, and try to guess, my dear, out of the 44 chromosomes, to this side enters 23 and to this side enters 21. Means originally 22 originally, if normal gametogenesis occurs. Okay, if normal gametogenesis occur, that means which one to this side comes 22 autosomes and 22 autosomes. But I already told you the 21 chromosomes are do not which out separate out or do not which one undergoes which junction disjunction. That means to one side the enters means 1 2 up to which 22 1 21 1 chromosome, second number chromosome 1, third number chromosome 1, 21 number chromosome 1, 22 1. But try to focus minor. In this side, another 21 chromosome comes because they are do not separate out. But here 1, 2, 3, 21, 22. But here this 21 chromosome is attached to this 21 chromosome. They are not separate out. That means here 1, 2, 3. Out of the 22 chromosomes, 1 is lost. 21 number chromosome is lost. That means total autosome is 21. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 22 plus 1 extra 21 number chromosome. That means 23 plus X. And here try to understand, in case of male, normal meiosis occurs 22 plus X, 22 plus Y. Clear? Try to understand. This one. 45 plus XX. 23 plus 22, 45 plus XX. Yes, if you combine with this, 45 plus XY. Try to understand. Here 221 number autosome. Here 121 number autosome. So here 321 number autosome. That means this is going with Down syndrome. Yes, it is which one? 2X chromosome. So that means it is a female with Down syndrome. And try to focus minor. Let us understand here. Here 221 number autosome. Here 121 number autosome. That means 321 number autosomes. Yes. That means this going with Down syndrome. Okay. And try to focus on XY means male. Male with Down syndrome. Clear? Clearly understand this. Clear? Okay. So this is which one? Abnormal ovum. Produced by which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. This is, it contains 23 chromosomes. It contains 23 chromosomes. So it is normal sperm. This is normal sperm and this is abnormal one because it contains 24 chromosomes. It contains 22 chromosomes. Clear? So we can write this in another manner. Try to understand. The first, just remind this. This is due to abnormal gametes. This is due to abnormal gametes produced by the female. By which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. Try to understand this point. Okay, another point we can found here. When a abnormal, right? When a abnormal ovum, abnormal ovum, 23 plus X combined with a normal sperm. Combine with a normal sperm, that is 22 plus X. 22 plus X. Then it produce female with Down's syndrome. Okay, that is 45 plus XX. That is 45 plus XX. Try to understand this. Okay, when a abnormal ovum 23 plus X combined with a normal sperm, that is 22 plus X. Normal sperm, that is 22 plus X. It produces female with Down syndrome. That produces female with Down syndrome, that is 45 plus XX. Clear? So this is the important one. Okay, try to guess my next one. Clear? The next one, another which one? We are talking about this one. When a same which form abnormal form. Abnormal form. That is 23 plus x. This combines with a normal form. That is 22 plus y. This one. That is 22 plus y. It produce male with. It produce male with Down's syndrome. Male-with syndrome, Down syndrome. That is karyotype is 45 plus, just writing this, 45 plus xy. Here, just repeating that. When abnormal ovum, 23 plus x combined with a normal sperm, that is 22 plus y, it produce male with Down syndrome. Clear? So this is the two important points of which syndrome, Down syndrome. Clear? Clear? So this is. I can add another point. Just see here. What is that? It is due to non-disjunction of. It is due to non-disjunction of 21 number autosome. It is due to non-disjunction of 21 number autosome during gamete production. Okay, try to guess minor. It is due to non-disjunction of, here, I already told you. This is a 21 number autosome. This is another 21 number of autosome. Try to guess minor. This one and this one are do not separate out at the time of, or do not non-disjunction, or they are not separate out during which one? Gamete production. And they, if they do not separate out, they enters to one gamete. Okay, and produce which ovum? Abnormal ovum in case of female. And this abnormal ovum helps in production of which syndrome? Down syndrome. So this is due to, the main problem is that it is due to non-disjunction of, 21 number autosome during which production? Gamete production. So important point. Clear? So try to guess minor. First Down syndrome, if we are talking about, it is given by Langdon Down. It is an autosomal disorder. It is due to extradition of 21 number autosome, and it is because of 21 number autosomes found. So we can call that trisomy of 21. Clear? It is basically due to non-disjunction of 21 number autosome during which production? Gamete production. And remind another point. It is due to abnormal ovum produced by the female. It is due to abnormal ovum produced by the female because of non-disjunction of 21 number autosome. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about Down syndrome. It is a which disorder? Autosomal disorder, and it is found in case of both male and female. Clear? Apart from that, there appears like Mongolians, so it is otherwise called Mongolism. Okay, and try to guess minor, These persons, the affected persons, are behave like idiots, so this disorder is called Mongolian idiocy. Clear? Now we talk about the symptoms of Down syndrome. Clear? Let us focus about the symptoms of Down syndrome. Okay, what are the symptoms? Let us start one by one. What are the symptoms of Down syndrome? Symptoms. If we are talking about the symptoms one by one and try to understand, they have round face. Which face? They have which face? Round face. Clear? If we are talking about the second one, flat forehead. This forehead becomes flat. Okay. Mouth is always open. Try it. The mouth is like this. Okay. The mouth is always open. The next one. Tongue protrude out. Always tongue is protrude out like this. Okay. Tongue always protrude out. Clear? Try to guess my next one. If it is the next one, compulsory, try to understand what is the next one. They have short hands. Short hand. The hand is very short. Okay. Try to guess my okay. Try to guess my stubby fingers. You know, fingers like lollipops. These ends are swelled. Try to guess my stubby fingers. Stubby fingers. Okay, try to guess my dad. Okay, which one? Palm. This is palm without craze. These lines are called craze. Palms without craze. Okay, try to guess on this. Craze are basically absent. Okay, try to understand if you take on the next one. They are sterile. If it is male, there is which one? Sterile. And try to guess my dad. These are sterile. Okay, try to guess if it is male, it is unable to produce sperm, and try to guess what is a female, it is unable to produce ovum. Okay, next one, underdeveloped gonads. You know gonads? That is, in case of male, that is testis and ovary. Ova, that is testis in male, and ovary in females. Clear? Try to guess my dear. This is, if you take on the next one, they are mentally retarded. Okay, already know that they are idiots. Okay, try to guess they are foolish, so they are mentally retarded. Next one, low intelligence, no IQ. Very low intelligence. Next one. Underdeveloped heart. The heart is defective. Okay, underdeveloped heart, matlab, which one? They have defective heart. Underdeveloped heart means not properly mean that. Try to guess my dear. Which one? That is basically defective heart. The next one is defective kidney. The kidney also defective. Okay, another important point, they are which one? Try to guess my dear. They live up to 40 years. They live up to 40 years under medical care. Okay, if medical care is taken, they are maximum to maximum. They live up to which years? 40 years. These are important symptoms already. Which one? They have round face, the flat forehead, the mouth is always open, tongue is protruded out, they have short hands, they have stubby fingers, palms without craze, these are sterile, underdeveloped which one? Gonads, that is testis and ovary, and try to guess my dear, they are mentally retarded, low intelligence, defective heart and defective kidney. Apart from that, they are live up to which years? 40 years under medical care. Okay, clear cut. So this is a basic fundamental about Down syndrome. Okay guys, see you the next. Till then, bye bye, and please subscribe this channel, who is give me stimulation to for making new videos for you. Thank you and thank you.